That's an interesting looking apple. So we've got the kids. What did you find, Jack? We got the kids picking up apples.
Break a big piece of this.
Yeah, let's not break the tree off, okay?
And then we won't have any apples.
Look, Eliza and Lily are rock stars over here picking up all the apples.
I picked up a lot of them too. Also, it's full. Mom, it's full.
It's full. Okay, we'll go dump that and then we'll get the rest of them, okay?
Okay.
While Zeb is inside tearing down the ceiling, Harrington and I are going to be removing these rose bushes and taking out this portion of the front porch. There's a wall here, and I want to pull that off because there's not a lot of room in this front porch. I feel like it's going to open it up, and then eventually we'll pour some stairs and then do a walkway out to the front to add a little bit of curb appeal. There's also a couple of bushes over here and on the other side. They're too close to the foundation, so they got to go. I think Harrington's used about every tool that we own to try to get this out of here. And it's gone! So you can see that we're making progress. We've got one rose bush left. We've also got one tree left that we're gonna take out, but we're actually gonna do that with a chainsaw because we gotta buy one for the backyard. So this area here that you can see, this is gonna be coming out. And we're hoping that it comes out neatly. If not, we may have to re-face that front porch a little bit. Well, I don't think that I'm gonna be able to get this off. Why does I think I'm super strong and then I'm super not?
You're not super strong.
All right, your turn. Watch out for the window. Oh, okay. You're a little stronger than I am. And proceed. We got the old man showing you how to do it.
He doesn't have to show me how to do it. I had to stretch and he came and took the shovel from me.
I think that paint's holding it together. It's got like 20 layers. Oh, you might want to move your rose bushes. Do you want to move those? Zeb, hold on a second. We are piling up the bricks that we are saving from the front, and the cool thing is these ones are super old. I actually really love the color. We've got some more modern bricks. I don't know what, if anything, we're gonna do with those. But for sure, I'm hoping to have enough of these to make a pathway from the front door all the way to the sidewalk and maybe some future projects. So we're gonna save as much as we can. So today we decided to rent a dump trailer because we have been using this cage trailer. It took over an hour to get this emptied yesterday with Zeb and Harrington working the entire time. This is gonna save us so much time and energy. It's a little bit of a cost, but definitely worth it. We've got it for 2 days, so we've got to get demo finished in the original old house so that way we can get our money's worth. Turn around and say hi.
Hi.
All right, so next step is gonna be to remove all these kitchen cabinets. I'll do my best to keep them in shape, but if I have to get a little rough with them, I will. We gotta get them out. We've got a dump trailer for 2 days, so we gotta make it worth it.
Mom, I gotta get through a lot of stuff.
That doesn't even have a spoon.
All right, you got it?
know how to get that one though. It's all heavy.
If you're wondering why we're wearing respirators, it's because in the other room I'm kicking up a lot of dust, taking out a bunch of debris, so. But you know, we got a little red, white, and blue theme going on here. Hanging up on.
Sorry. Where's those snippers? I'll just cut this cake.
Feel like I'm a little dirty and that wasn't my most graceful removal. I don't know how people go on TV shows and they look all clean. This is what it looks like when you're doing demo.
You want help?
Nope.
Okay.
So what you doing down there?
So I am taking off the garbage disposal because this is still working and in good shape and we are going to use it.
Oh, well maybe now.
It's still alright.
No, the inspector said it worked great, so I think it's good to keep it and then, you know, we can just use it until it doesn't work anymore. Maybe get rid of the masking tape.
Yeah, we'll do all new plumbing on it, but the unit itself is in good condition.
Nice.
Doesn't even look like it got used much.
You know, Delma was like 80, and if she's anything like my mom, they don't like to put anything down the drain.
The water is all off and we just turned the shut-offs down below off. We're going to pull this countertop off. We're not trying to save that at all. That's just going to go. And then we might save these lowers.
Okay, now let's see if we can get it off. All right, do you need me to carry one side for you?
We'll probably make it into smaller pieces. If you want, you can come hit it with the hammer.
Yeah, hit it with the hammer.
No giving up though, you gotta hit it until we're done.
All right, let me get my glass.
There you go. Again? Again with the giving up?
You're like 20 times stronger than I am.
The sledgehammer is not Jamie's friend.
Oh, well, I could have done that.
There's the sink. The sink is still good.
We'll take that
to habitat. I may have cheated a little. This is not my first cabinet rodeo, and I knew right where to hit it. Jamie had to go run some errands. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rest of these cabinets out. I've unscrewed the back plate and they should just pull right out, but we'll see. Nothing has been easy on this demolition. So I was contemplating saving these, but at some point these have all been wet down at the bottom. Maybe there was some leaking here with the faucet or something. The fiberboard box portion of the cabinets was all swollen on the bottom. I didn't really feel good about taking that to Habitat for Humanity and seeing if they wanted that. I feel like superhero pose is appropriate for day 2 demo.
This is actually like day 4 because we started on Monday.
Video 2. We'll call it video 2.
Thanks for watching today's video all about demo. We've got a little bit more, so I'm sure there'll be one more demo video and then we'll get into doing fun stuff like fixing floors.
Yeah, we're gonna roll the carpet up here tomorrow and see how good these floors actually look. We know they're under there, but haven't really seen much except for corners where we pulled up carpet.
If you like renovation videos, fixer-uppers, 100-year-old farmhouses, make sure you hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.